Go stand in front of the camera. Stand right here. Don't touch. Stand right here. Smile. What's your name?
Jack.
How old are you?
2 years old.
Can you show me two? No? Good boy. Yeah? Who'd you play with today?
Cousin.
You play with your cousins today? No. Who'd you play with?
Susan and Kyle.
Yeah? Did you go to the park?
Yeah.
Who else was at the park?
Kyle and Sissy in the park.
Yeah?
And this one is
What was that? Hold on.
Sophia.
Yeah? What did you do there? Did you go down the slide?
Yeah.
Can you show me how you went down the slide? Yeah? Was it fun?
Yeah. I fell down and up.
Really? Scoot back. Scoot back. Jump again for me. Show me how you jump. Wow. Can you show me one? Show me two. Three. 3, 4. Show me 4. 4. There you go. 5. Show me Shaka. Yeah, show me Shaka. Nope, down. There you go. Show me A. Can you blow me a kiss? Good boy.